Hello guys and welcome back to our Sniper Plus video series. This is our 8th video of the series, and today in this video I am going to explain you about how to integrate MT4 with Sniper Plus, where signal will be taken from AmiBroker and place the order in MT4 terminals. Okay, let's begin the session. First, we need to go to Sniper Plus, where we have to do some settings to integrate MT4 to Sniper Plus. Okay, these are all the options. Go to AmiBroker. Here select one symbol. I'll add gold here. Okay, the gold is XAU USD. Okay, gold, this is okay. Now go to Sniper Plus. Before that you need to install the MT4 terminals, okay, for configuring the MT4 with AmiBroker. Okay, in my PC what we have to do is we have to do some settings. So go to file, go to open data folder. Here go to terminal section. In terminal section we can see in other PC, if you have more than one MT4 terminals, then you can see here more than one MT4 IDs. Okay, but today in this PC we can see that there is only one ID. That is because I have installed only one MT4 in my PC. Okay, let's copy that ID. Just copy that ID and go to Sniper Plus, MT4 ID, that will be in settings. Okay, now then click on save. Now what we have to do is, here we need to go to the Sniper Plus folder that will be inside the expert advisor. Okay, inside Sniper Plus there are two options, like Sniper Plus MT4 version without exit. First we will learn with MT4 version 3. Okay, here in common select, that is yellow, live coding, live trading. Here do nothing and let's click on OK. Now just go back to Sniper Plus. Here we have to add the symbol, that is gold. Now what we have to do is we need to copy this and just go to Sniper Plus and add. Here in market we need to select Forex, and in chart symbol we need to paste the XAU USD, and in terminal also same. I'm not going to do any martingale here, so let it be like that only. And trade execution, let it be same, and order type market, and quantity, that is lot size is 100 for gold and quantity is 0.01, and product type is not needed, and intraday or positional let it be carryover, and everything are same. Click on save. Now we need to click on the real trade to do the real trading here. Okay, let me click on real trade. Okay, now we got the error. The error came only because we didn't select the terminal as MT4. So first we need to select the terminal as MT4. If you are having MT5, then select MT5. Now I have MT4 here, so I will select MT4 here. Okay, now click on save. Okay, now go to AmiBroker. Now here also you can see MT4 is in green. That means it is active now and it is connected also. Okay, now let's take one buy so that we can see here how fast the Sniper Plus is taking the order. Okay, now just click on buy. Before that we need to check whether we have done the setting clearly, correctly. So just see everything is right. Yeah, okay, now everything is correct here. Just click on buy. Okay, now we got the buy. Now just click on buy exit. Now buy got exited. Sell. Now sell has been happen here, and click on sell exit, and sell got exited. Okay, buy exit, sell exit. Okay, Now we can see here the order is taking very quickly. Okay, now let us do the bar reply so that we can understand very easily how the trading are taken. Okay, now click on play. Okay, now it's moving. Yeah, we got the sell now. Okay, it's moving now. Now buy got happen here. You can see the buy got happen here, and the sell got closed and took the buy automatically. Okay, now again sell got happen, buy closed and sell got immediately. Okay, this is one feature, that is Sniper MT4 EXE. Okay, now if you want to do any martingale type or any other the stop loss target and all, we have done many videos before. You can watch those videos and you can do by yourselves, and you can do anything by using MT4 also, like earlier with other terminals how you are doing. Here also we can do the same, and this is signal to signal. Okay, and if you want to make the term let's go to the settings. I'll show you how it should be done. Here, instead of doing the stop loss and target over here, we can do it directly in the MT4. Like here, individual take profits, combined take profit, and individual stop loss and combined stop loss. Okay, these are all the options where we can do the target stop loss things. Okay, here we have the multiplier or increment also. Okay, now I will show you how to do the combined stop loss and target. Okay, first let us select the second type, that is Sniper MT4 version without exit. Okay, click on live is already open. Okay, now let us select combined stop loss. For combined take profit as $2. Okay, you can use $1, $2, like whatever you wanted. I am here selecting as $2. Okay, then multiplier or increment, let it be into 2, and the lot type, whether it is fixed lot or a multiplier lot or increment lot, let it be multiplier. You can use increment also. I will use the multiplier. Okay, that is into 2. Now click on save. Now come to the chart. Now click on buy. Here buy got happen, that is in 0.1 size. Okay, let us see whether it is taking more. Okay, now we got the sell. Now we can see here the size is 0.2, that is it got incremented. Now you can see here. Now if the exit signal is coming from the AMI broker, then the position will be exited here, because we are using the combined profit. So the combined profit $2, that is $2 profit is combined, then it will book the target one quantity, that is why combined profit is here. Now you can see here it is taking like 2, 4, 8, something like that. It will be increasing. That is because the combined profit $2 is achieved now. Okay, now it will book the profit. So this is how it will be working. Now we can do multiplier and increment. Everything can be done directly from the MT4 also, otherwise you can choose it from Sniper Plus also. And here one thing is you can use MT5 also. Okay, MT5 also, there also it will be having two folders, that is MT4 version and MT4 version multiplier, that is without exit. And finally, thank you so much for watching our video, and please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification about the upcoming videos of us. Thank you so much for watching.